Now, would you believe me if I told you that this wig came out the box looking like this? Like silky and amazing, and it's 100%, just 100% glueless. You're my truth. Now, I know I've been away for a long time, but I am back with another review. This is from UNICE, and this is their Yaki straight texture. Now, I've reviewed similar wigs to this before, but let me tell you, bomb. Okay, now it comes ready to go. The only thing that I did extra in this video was I flat ironed this wig. Well, no, I didn't do that in this video, but I did flat iron this off camera. But just know that I did. But it comes ready to wear. It's plugged. The hairline is it's bleached. It's everything that you need it to be, friend. I'm just letting you know. And so yeah, this is what she looks like straight out the pack. Now, if you want to pluck this a little more, I would say go ahead and do it because it'll give you more of a natural look. But for me, I left it as is. I did go in with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I am suffering from postpartum shedding, so I did not want to melt my stocking cap. So I'm just going to go in and just proceed with my install without melting it down, and I'm just going to adjust her on my head. Now, I am a 22.5 when it comes to wigs, and this one fits me perfectly. So if you do have a big head, you will definitely fit this Amazon wig. Okay, I'm also going to take some of that makeup and put it on my hairline, and as you can see, it's just making it melt in so nice, so nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some makeup on the lace, and I am just going to go ahead and brush it out. Like I said, this coming out the package is amazing, and I love Yaki straight textures because you don't even need it to be super thick for it to even look thick. Like a Yaki straight texture is already like it's already a thick texture. So you could get away with 180 density if needed be, right? So I love that because that makes the wig not be heavy and it's not pulling on your hair. It's just a texture that I love, and it also mimics my natural hair texture, so I also love that too. So right here I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and press out the edges and just around the part just to make sure that everything is flat and there's not any flyaways and that the hair is just as neat as I want it to be. And after that's done, I'm going to just go ahead and go in with the flat iron. Now, I'm the type, I love a super flat wig when it comes to bone straight hair. I'm from LA. That's how we wear our hair. We really silk it out. So I like to make sure that I silk it out. So I do flat iron it off on my mannequin head, and then I'll go back and do it again while it's on my head just to make sure I don't have any indents or anything like that. And basically that's it. I can't believe that this video is that short, but this is just how amazing this wig is, and it looks so good. The lace is thin, the knots is bleached, and I'm just saying, like, it's flowy, it's super long. It's on me, it's definitely giving 28 inches. And so I definitely appreciate that. You can see the shine on this wig. It's just so nice. I'm in love with it, and I would like it even longer. Yeah, so I was gonna go out, so I decided to use some Got To Be spray and put a little bit on my skin and lay the lace down just so it could move and my lace won't be flapping. And that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, I'll leave the link down to the wig down below in the description. If you have any questions, leave comments in the comment section. Why don't you watch another wig video and subscribe? All right, bye, best friends. Oh, and I did wash it, install it again, and I wanded it, and it came out so bomb. definitely get the wig.